I'm from Uttarakhand and I was born and brought up there. And then I went to college in Nainital. My father being in the army and my grandfather also being in the army. I joined Indian Army for 21 years. My children were growing. We had seen several transfers from. When it became a little too much and I wanted some stability for my children, so I decided to quit. After 21 years, I left, joined the corporate world. If you are not formally trained, you won't get those qualifications, irrespective of how much you know. Formal training also maintains certain kind of discipline. If you set out to do something and work very hard and sincerely to do it, you will achieve it. So it is primarily an attitude to do which is most important to achieve any kind of success in life. So I was surfing through the net and I learnt about Valinka and the program that they conduct. I inquired more about it. I met a few past students. I went through the curriculum that they run. From a point of view of industry or a firm, you always know as to what is new in your field. But how that is being covered academically is something that you don't know. So keeping that in mind, I thought this course at Valinka offered something which could tell me what it means in academic sense to what we are doing in the industry. Now I have an academic background of what I am doing on a daily basis in the company. Personal contact program that they have. So in one session, you have a professor coming to the classroom and covering the entire subject in a matter of few hours, and yet being able to clarify most doubts that most people have. They conduct lots of experiential learning programs, the alpha modules, the beta modules. I have attended quite a few of them. I do not think anybody else is doing in a distance learning program these kind of things. I love to interact with people, especially the young people. This program has given me a lot of opportunity to interact with a lot of people. I am very friendly with 3 people with 3 courses after me and 3 courses before me.
I consider him a very good team leader and he makes people enthusiastic about their work.
I would want to tell them that they should enjoy as much as possible, but to enjoy, they need to earn their enjoyment.
He's very friendly, but when it comes to work, he's very strict.
I would like to call it not a distance learning program, but a hybrid program which combines distance learning with personal contact, with virtual classrooms, and with experiential learning. Sustainable democracy. My love, the first and the last. Good needs a lot of improvement and experience, uniquely positioned.